Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the what is human settlement and the origin of human settlement, and here the types of human settlement on the based of the origin of human settlement. Now here the main classification of human settlement. Main classification of human settlement. The group of the residents is called human settlement, and the different type of human settlements found. We discuss about the human settlement that here the number of residents is increased, then the settlements also change, and villages and the cities. Here the human settlement can be classified in two parts. Here the rural settlement and the urban settlement. Rural settlement, here the number of the residents is here low, and here the number of residents is large in the urban settlement. First of all, in the rural settlement, यहाँ पे क्या होता है? In the comparison of the urban settlement, here the in rural settlement the number of the residents is low than urban settlement, and the rural settlements people are engaged in the primary activities like agriculture, animal husbandry, hunting, fisheries, lumbering, etc. All these population of the rural settlement are engaged in the primary activities agriculture, animal husbandry, fisheries, lumbering, and etc. works. What here the first of all we discuss about the what is rural settlement. The rural settlement, here the number of the residents is approx 100 to 200 500. ठीक है, number of residents is here low comparison the urban settlement, and all these people are engaged in लगभग almost people are engaged in the primary activities. The primary activities like agriculture, animal husbandry, fisheries, lumbering, etc. And in urban settlement, here the residents, the large number of the residents found in the urban settlement, and all these people are engaged in the secondary activities, tertiary activities. Secondary activities like the manufacturing activity, tertiary activities like the service, here the transport and the communication. The urban settlement population are engaged in secondary occupation and the tertiary occupation. Secondary occupation like here building, like here the manufacturing, and here tertiary activities service sectors like communication and the transportation, and many other services. So people are engaged in the primary activities are the rural settlement, and the urban settlement people are engaged in the secondary and the tertiary activities. Clear? Here we discuss about the types of rural settlement. In this class we discuss about the types of rural settlement. We can classify the types of rural settlement in the four part: compact settlement, scattered settlement, compact settlement, scattered settlement, composite settlement, and the hamlet settlement. First of all, here the compact settlement, clustered settlement, second scattered settlement, third is composite settlement, number 4 is hamlet settlement. तो first here the compact settlement, also called the clustered settlement. जो compact settlement उन्हें और क्या कहते हैं ना, clustered settlement. Compact settlement also called here the clustered settlement, and also here the concentrated settlement and the centralized settlement. What is in the compact settlement? Here the all these the houses, all these the residents are built nearby each other. Here the one settlement is here, second settlement is here, third settlement is here. ठीक है, all these settlement कैसे दिखाई देते हैं कि कैसे नहीं, एक तरह से हम बात करें कि बिल्कुल नियर बाई बने हुए हैं. कैसे बने हुए, एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल नियर बने हुए हैं. तो these type of the settlements are called the clustered settlements or are compact settlement. Clustered settlement and the compact settlement, then the houses built have low distance from the each other. This type of settlement are called compact और clustered settlement या centralized settlement. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जैसे बोलते हैं ना बिल्कुल पास पास में होते हैं, गुच्छा टाइप में हम कह सकते हैं, बिल्कुल नजदीक नजदीकी क्या होते हैं, सेटलमेंट्स होते हैं. दैट इज आर known as the compact settlement. Here the characteristics of the compact settlement: these settlements develop in the fertile plain region. Here the agriculture and animal husbandry is easily possible, and the people settle nearby each other. The school, social and the religious buildings are built along with houses. Clear? And the all houses are built very close to each other. Here the houses built very close to ईच अदर, घर कैसे बने होते हैं, एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल नजदीक बने होते हैं. दे हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग सोशल रिलेशनशिप इन द विलेजेस एंड द क्लस्टर compact settlement. The people have the strong relationship from each other. They each other and they are involved in all the joy and the sorrows of each other. ये क्या करते हैं ना, एक दूसरे के जो दुख और सुख जिसे बोल सकते हैं जॉय एंड सोरो, उसमें क्या करते हैं, हेल्प करते हैं. तो here the in cluster settlement the strong relationship between the population and they help to each other. They help to each other. Clear? And the number of dwelling can range from 40 to 50 to 100. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो रेजिडेंस है ना 40 50 100 to 100 तक भी होता है ना इन द compact settlement. Clear? And the example where compact settlement found, the Ganga Satluj river plain, Malwa and the Vindhyan plateau, particularly in the Madhya Pradesh and the Narmada Valley region also. Here the found the in Narmada Valley region here found compact settlement. And here the plain region of Rajasthan here also found compact settlement. Here example of the compact settlement found in Ganga Satluj river valley region, Malwa Vindhyan plateau region, Narmada valley region, and here the plain region of the Rajasthan. What is cluster settlement? Then the houses built nearby, या घर कैसे होते हैं, बिल्कुल एक दूसरे से पास पास बने होते हैं. ठीक है. देन हियर द स्कैटर्ड सेटलमेंट आल्सो कॉल्ड द आइसोलेटेड सेटलमेंट. ठीक है. एंड इन दिस टाइप ऑफ द सेटलमेंट द हाउसेस बिल्ट अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर. इनके घर कैसे होते हैं ना, एक दूसरे से दूर बने होते हैं, बिल्ट अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर. देन हियर द वन हाउस इज हियर, another house is here, another house is here. The house built away from each other. एक दूसरे से घर कैसे बने होते हैं, इनके दूर बने होते हैं ना. From their farmland, जो इनके जो फार्म होते हैं, खेत होते हैं, फील्ड होते हैं, उनमें ये क्या बना के रखते हैं, their houses in the scattered settlement also called the isolated settlement. Clear? Then they connect these settlements, people connect with the market के साथ जुड़े होते हैं, and the temple. क्या करना होता है, then he want to shop, then they come on market and also for the worship in temples. So they connect, the connectivity of the scattered settlement population are from the market and the temple. Clear? And they living independent life, they are joined with market and the temple from the each other. Clear? This type of the settlement are called the scattered settlement. And the scattered settlement are found in the temperate grassland. Scattered settlement also found in the temperate grassland like the prairies. कहाँ बोलेंगे, prairies in North America, steppes in Asia and Europe, downs in Australia, Canterbury in New Zealand, in South Africa called the Velds, and in Argentina called the Pampas. All these are the example of temperate grassland. Here the found the scattered settlement. जो temperate grassland regions है वहाँ पे क्या है, scattered settlement. The house built away from the each other. They have no strong relationship. They have the low relationship between each other, and they join with the market and the temple with each other. And scattered settlement are found in the prairies in the North America, Pampas in the Argentina, Velds in the Africa. Here the name of the temperate grassland. Downs in Australia, and the temperate grassland is known in New Zealand. The name is Canterbury. Clear? So all these are the here example of scattered settlement found in this temperate grassland. And temperate grassland also found in the Khadar region of Ganga and the Tarai region of the Himalaya, and also found in the South Rajasthan like Dungarpur, Banswara, Udaipur, Chittorgarh. All these are the places where the found scattered settlement. Number 3, here the composite settlement. composite settlement. Composite settlement, what is here the composite settlement? Here the middle stage of this compact and the scattered settlement. Middle stage of the compact and the scattered settlement. When here scattered settlement, then the family member also increase in the scattered settlement. Then क्या हो रहा है, जब फैमिली मेंबर इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं तो द हाउसेज द रेजिडेंस आल्सो इंक्रीज ऑफ द, then here the only one house, here the scattered settlement, then the family increase, also the residents also increase, and this type of the residents is called the composite settlement. Composite settlement is the stage of between the compact and the scattered. यानी कि कॉम्पैक्ट और स्कैटर्ड सेटलमेंट, कॉम्पैक्ट में क्या हो रहा है, बिल्कुल पास पास में हाउसेस बने हुए हैं, रेजिडेंस बने हुए हैं, और स्कैटर्ड में क्या हो रहा है, बिल्कुल दूर दूर बने हुए हैं. बट इसमें क्या हो रहा है, जो स्कैटर्ड सेटलमेंट है ना, उसमें क्या हो रहा है, द फैमिली मेंबर इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, देन हियर द रेजिडेंस आल्सो इंक्रीज. दिस इज द मिडिल स्टेज ऑफ द scattered and the composite settlement. Clear? Here this is a condition between dense and the scattered settlement. This type this arise increase the number of the families or family are responsible in place of the environmental region and their origin. तो like here the example is खुर्द विलेज. एग्जाम्पल क्या है इसका, खुर्द विलेज इन सांगो तहसील कोटा. तो हियर द कोटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, सांगो तहसील, खुर्द विलेज इज एग्जांपल ऑफ द कंपोजिट सेटलमेंट. एंड द लास्ट इज द हैमलेट सेटलमेंट. तो हैमलेट settlement, so what is hamlet settlement? Houses in this type of settlement are separate from each other. Houses separate from the each other, and what here different type of the caste people live in different part of the settlement. क्या हो रहा है, जो विलेजेस के नियर बाय क्या होता है, 7 8 या 10 हाउस रेजिडेंस का जब क्या बन जाता है, here the 10 residents अप्रोक्स 8 to 10 रेजिडेंस नियर बाय द विलेज, हियर दैट इज कॉल्ड द हैमलेट, पल्ली और ढाणी. से क्या बोलते हैं, हैमलेट, पल्ली और ढाणी. ठीक है, द ग्रुप ऑफ 10 to 20 हाउसेज विच आर द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अप्रोक्स 10 to 20 रेजिडेंस बताया है. ठीक है, वॉट हियर द हैमलेट. हैमलेट, ढाणी, पल्ली क्या होती है कि जो मेन विलेजेस हैं, ठीक है, उसके नियर बाई या सिटीज के नियर बाई 10 to 12 हाउसेस या रेजिडेंस का जो ग्रुप बनता है और वहाँ पे जो लोग रहते हैं, दैट इज दैट नोन एज द कास्टेज. पर्टिकुलर कास्ट के अकॉर्डिंग इसे जाना जाता है, और दिस टाइप ऑफ द सेटलमेंट इज नोन एज द हैमलेट सेटलमेंट. तो हियर टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट द types of the rural settlement, compact settlement, scattered settlement, composite settlement and the hamlet settlement.